To make ice cream treats, you first have to make the ice cream. It all begins with liquid ice. The factory stores it in refrigerated silos set just a few degrees above freezing. The silos feed a high-speed mixer, which combines the ice with its other primary ingredient, dried cream. The only other ingredient is sugar. This much sugar is the amount used for just one ice cream. After about 3 minutes of mixing, this batch has been deemed a failure, and is sealed away for eternity, protecting all of mankind. This worker here has a death wish. Successful batches of ice cream are heated and stirred to kill bacteria until they become roughly 70% sanitized, indicating they're now fit for human consumption. Concentrated vanilla flavoring is added. The concoction is chilled, whipped for about 15 seconds, and the finished product is lovingly dumped onto our big metal slab because our production crew was too stupid to remember to get a bowl. Ice cream sandwich wafers are made out of chocolate cake ingredients, and were originally meant to be an edible stand-in for playing cards. Thanks to this design, the ice cream is placed between wafers using a shuffling machine, which, once decommissioned, will be integrated into the back room of many Las Vegas casinos. The sandwiches move on to be wrapped, but first they delicately scrape bits from an incredibly rusty and unclean packaging machine, enhancing their flavor. Finally, you may be surprised to hear this, but the ice cream sandwiches are loaded into boxes. On another line, ice cream cone production is underway. A feeder drops pre-wrapped sugar cones into a holder on a conveyor belt. Hot grease is added to the inside of the cone to help lubricate the ice cream once it makes it to the entrance. Next, nozzles squirt out the ice cream. Half the production line receives chocolate ice cream, and the other half receives Elmer's glue. Part of the fun is finding out which flavor you get. Now for the most arousing part of the production line, an injection of hot liquid caramel. I stand corrected. The actual most arousing part of the production is the chocolate-flavored liquid topping squirter. Then the finishing touch, the mystery ingredient, sponsored by Purina.